Okay, I'll lift up the cup and you clean up the spill.
I didn't. I be on the table.
Oh, on the floor and on the table. Oh my gosh, that's a big spill.
I clean it up.
Good job.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. I'll put my tea back.
You really huge mess.
You really huge mess, huh? Good job.
Okay.
All clean. No more tea on the floor.
Let's riddle this on my pillow.
How about do you want to hang it on the chair today?
Yeah.
Oh. There was some on your pillow?
Mm-hmm. Make huge mess just a little bit.
Just huge mess, just a little bit.
You want this on here.
Mommy can't sit on the chair.
Why?
Mommy's too big. I'm not little like you.
Little.
Little.
You want to tell me that I'm ready?
Sure. Bring it over.
Let's do.
Careful.
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the teapot?
Yeah.
Oops.
Why?
I just want you to stand on it and you might fall over. There we go.
No.
Okay.
Don't always hit.
Okay.
I went down on it.
No, don't stand on it. That's safe.
I every table.
Alright.
That's good. I'll get it open.